Albert here. Welcome to my iPad tutorials. iPad 2019. I'm gonna show you how to start it up. I'm gonna go through function by function, how to set it up according to your needs. Let's start. When Apple introduced their iPad 2019, they introduced the Apple Pencil and the foldable keyboard case. Only the iPad to the smart connector. Apple's iPad Pro had the smart connector, and now the standard iPad has it too. The smart connector means you can connect your iPad with a click, and it supports the case with power. In the box we have a charger and a cable. The pencil really stands out. This was the setup. This was the thing that Apple came with. In late 2019, they introduced their new iPad, the latest standard budget iPad with these connectors that the Pro was using. These three dots they're called the smart connector. So you just click your accessory on and that's it. It supports your accessory with power and it's connected. This is like the coolest setup I've ever experienced. The foldable case is so thin, so perfect, and it just types directly. No lag, and the pencil does it all. I can use the pencil almost anywhere, and I'm gonna go through it with you guys. But not yet. Now that we have unboxed the iPad, we're gonna start it up. This is very important that we do it right. We're gonna start the iPad up in my next video. In my description, there's a link down below. If you wanna order the new iPad, click my link and order the new iPad. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Okay, so. That's it.